Good afternoon po, Amber Delivery.
Losing someone is a painful process that gets even harder as time goes by.
Alam na alam namin to. Dahil nung nawala sa amin si tatay, umiba si nanay.
Ma? Breakfast in bed?
Ilagay mo na lang dyan, anak.
Ma, dinner na. Nandito na po sila. Ma, umorder kami ng Amber. Siyempre, di namin nakalimutan yung paborito ni Papa. Ma, you need to eat. Kahit unti lang. Please.
Nak, abutan mo ako ng pansit malabon.
Oh, abot daw. Oh, to, bumbo.
Naalala ko yung daddy niyo nung bubuhay pa. Siya palagi yung nagpapabili niya.
Simula noon, pag may Amber sa lamesa, doon na lumalakas ang appetite niya. Naging comfort food na nga niya ang Amber Pansit Malabon.
We may not have fully understood the depth of pain Mommy felt nang nawala sa amin si Daddy. But with Amber, it's as if the void left by Daddy's absence has been somewhat filled. Hindi man niya sa amin sabihin, nakikita namin na your food has not only satisfied her hunger, but has also brought comfort to her soul.
And on her 60th birthday, the joy in her eyes was a testament of how much her food has meant to her.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, kasama mo sa bawat kabanata ng buhay. Ikaw, anong kwentong Amber mo?